Welcome back to Car Riftar, where luxury meets horsepower and style never compromises on substance. Today we're diving into a vehicle that redefines American luxury in an entirely new form, introducing the all-new 2025 Cadillac Escalade Pickup. It's bold, it's extravagant, and it's here to challenge everything we thought we knew about premium trucks. Let's talk design. The Escalade Pickup takes Cadillac's unmistakable style and transforms it into a muscular, commanding pickup silhouette. At the front, the massive blacked-out grille is flanked by vertical LED headlamps, echoing Cadillac's current design language but elevating it with a sense of power and utility. The front fascia is sculpted with precision. It's elegant but with an unmistakable aggression. There are aerodynamic sculptings around the hood which not only add visual interest but also improve airflow and reduce drag, because even a luxury truck has to think about efficiency. From the side, it maintains the grandeur of a traditional Escalade SUV but stretches it out with a long, wide bed that seamlessly integrates with the rear cabin. The 22-inch chrome wheels are standard, though buyers can opt for 24-inch forged alloys. With a 6.5-foot bed lined with composite materials and integrated LED lighting, Cadillac has made sure you won't be compromising practicality for luxury. The rear is clean and sculptural with vertical LED taillights that stretch dramatically from bumper to roof. The tailgate is hands-free and offers multi-functionality, a nod to both utility and innovation. Step inside the cabin and you're instantly wrapped in Cadillac's best. We're talking semi-aniline leather, open-pore wood, brushed aluminum, and even optional carbon fiber or piano black trims depending on the spec. Front and center is a curved 38-inch OLED display split across a digital gauge cluster and infotainment screen, offering stunning resolution and responsiveness. This setup delivers intuitive control over everything from navigation to media, vehicle settings, and performance data. Massaging seats with cooling and heating functions come standard for both front and rear passengers. There's ambient lighting with 26 color options and a 36-speaker AKG studio reference sound system that makes every drive feel like a concert on wheels. Under the hood, the 2025 Escalade Pickup gives you options. The base model is powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine producing 420 horsepower and 460 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. But Cadillac isn't stopping there. For performance enthusiasts, there's an available Escalade V Pickup which uses a supercharged 6.2-liter V8, pushing out an astonishing 682 horsepower and 653 lb-ft of torque. Yes, the same beastly motor from the Escalade V SUV. This allows the truck to sprint from 0 to 60 in just 4.4 seconds. In a pickup. Let that sink in. There's also a hybrid powertrain in development, combining a twin-turbo V6 with electric motors for an estimated 500 horsepower while significantly improving fuel economy. And Cadillac's commitment to electrification doesn't stop there. Rumors suggest a full EV Escalade EXT version is on the way using GM's Ultium battery architecture. The ride is equally impressive. With magnetic ride control 4.0 and air ride adaptive suspension, the Escalade Pickup glides over road imperfections while maintaining control through corners. You can raise or lower the suspension by up to 4 inches, making it ideal for everything from off-roading to red carpet arrivals. Cadillac packed the Escalade Pickup with cutting-edge technology. The 38-inch OLED screen is the centerpiece, but the system behind it is equally refined. It's powered by GM's latest Google built-in OS, offering seamless integration with Google Maps Assistant and Play Store. Need directions? Just say, "Hey Google," and the augmented reality navigation will overlay directions directly onto the live camera feed in your instrument cluster. There's also night vision, utilizing infrared sensors to detect pedestrians and animals in the dark, and a 360-degree camera system with HD resolution to assist with parking and trailering. The 2025 Cadillac Escalade Pickup is more than a utility vehicle. It's a luxury powerhouse, a performance machine, and a tech showcase all in one. It's Cadillac's answer to a market that's been craving sophistication in a rugged package. Whether you're hauling gear or making an entrance, this is the truck that dares to do both. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments, would you trade in your SUV or traditional pickup for this luxury beast? Until next time, this is Car Riftar signing off.